Garlic has many health benefits that it provides to the body. It helps fight cancer, reduces blood pressure, and lowers cholesterol levels. Garlic has been known to be a powerful antibacterial and antiviral agent that can help prevent heart disease. If you feel ear pain and need a good night's sleep, try putting a clove of garlic in your ear overnight. It's one of the best ways to get garlic into your system. This will help your body absorb its nutrients. You can do this for a week, and then you should stop for at least 1 week before trying again. This practice has existed since ancient times. It is believed that garlic can ward off the plague that can affect the ears and cleanse them of toxins. If you want to keep your ears healthy, you can put garlic in your ears overnight. It will help prevent infections and other problems. This can help clear your body of any harmful bacteria. Garlic can be eaten raw or cooked. But if you don't want to eat it raw, you can put it in your ears while you sleep. It can help fight bad breath and prevent the onset of colds and cases of flu. Garlic has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on your ears, nose, and brain when put in your ears. You can also rub a clove of garlic on your chest before bed. This will help you avoid getting sick and increase the levels of antioxidants in your blood. Putting garlic in your ears has been shown to help reduce the risk of cancerous cells forming in your eardrum. Putting a clove of garlic in your ears before bed and sleeping with it can help you wake up in the morning with fresh breath. Garlic has a strong oil that can help ease your breathing issues. In the morning, when you wake up, you will notice a difference in the smell of your earwax. This is because garlic has a strong smell. It will help make the bad smell go away and leave your ear with a fresh scent. If you are feeling sick, you can put a clove of garlic in your ear overnight to fight off the sickness. Allow it to stay in your ears for about 8 hours so that the garlic can work. This is because garlic is absorbed into the blood through the thin layer of skin in the ear.